What is that?
Light.
It's a cool light. It's awesome. What else is in there? Is that your favorite thing?
Yeah.
What else is in there?
A toy.
Oh, yay! Uh-oh.
Can you help me open this?
Sure. Let's see. Let's see what else. Your favorite thing. Fingernails. Fingernails for you. Is it awesome? Let me see. Oh, wow. What else is in the box? Oh, wow. Look at that.
Hello, Daddy.
Awesome toys. Are you so happy?
Yeah.
I bet. Looks like they got your t-shirt too.
Stickers.
This from Non and Annie Gaga. Can you say thank you, Non and Gaga?
Thank you, Mommy Gaga. I got stickers.
I know you did.
Ah! Look at the mommy. Ah!
There's a mommy in there?
Yeah.
Look, Lily. It's the things you like, those things. Look, it's the bobblehead things.
Pet shop.
The Littlest Pet Shop?
Yeah.
Pet Shop Boys?
Yeah. I wanted this one.
You like that one? You did want that one?
Yeah.
You like it? Good.